Let me ask you something. What if I told you there's a way to escape the 9-to-5 grind, take control of your future, and build a life on your own terms? Sounds pretty great, right? Here's the thing, AI is already reshaping industries and will continue to automate countless jobs. But for those who see the opportunity, now is the time to claim your spot in the digital world by creating your own assets. Stick around, because in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start building your online empire. Whether you're tech savvy or just starting out, this is your beginner's guide to creating a sustainable digital presence. Trust me, by the end of the video, you'll know where to start. Oh, and don't forget to hit subscribe button to download our free beginner's guide. Link in the description below. Let's get started. Understanding digital assets. What exactly are digital assets? They're the tools, platforms, and resources you own online. Things like your blog, your email list, or lead magnet you've created. Unlike fleeting trends on social media, digital assets grow over time and provide consistent value. Think of digital assets as seeds you plant. Over time, they grow into a flourishing online empire. And the best part, they work for you while you sleep, driving traffic, generating leads, and building relationships. Email marketing, the gold standard. Let's talk about your most valuable asset, your list. Imagine having direct access to people who actually want to hear from you. No algorithms deciding if your message gets through. Just you and your audience. Starting an email list might sound intimidating, but it's as simple as offering something valuable in exchange for an email address. This could be a free checklist, an ebook, or even access to a mini course. Tools like LeadSleep or Canva make it easy to create professional lead magnets, and platforms like GetResponse help you manage your list with ease. Try LeadCreator today, link in the description. Next up, your digital home. Blogging. Your blog is your digital home base, a place where you can showcase your expertise, attract organic traffic, and build authority in your niche. Plus, it's an incredible way to drive people to your email list. Tools like WordPress, Canva, and Yoast SEO in action. Start by choosing a niche you're passionate about. It could be anything from fitness to personal finance. Use tools like WordPress to set up your site, Canva to create eye-catching graphics, and Yoast SEO to optimize your posts for search engines. And remember, consistency is key. A blog post is a stepping stone to your success. Need help starting a blog? Check out our free starter kit, using AI for content creation. Let's talk about AI tool. AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to supercharge your productivity. Imagine brainstorming 10 blog topics in seconds or creating a month's worth of social media posts in one afternoon. That's the power of tools like ChatGPT, Notebookum, and Canva's magic, right? With AI, you can focus on matters most, building relationships and growing your audience, while letting technology handle the heavy lifting. It's like having a personal assistant working 24/7. So, here's the deal. AI is transforming the way we work, and it's up to you to decide whether you'll let it pass you by or use it to build something amazing. Your email list, your blog, your digital content. These are your tickets to independence and opportunity. Ready to take the first step? Check out the links in the description for free resources to get started with email marketing, blogging, and leveraging AI tools. And don't forget, hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Find the free guide in the description. The tools are available, the path is clear now. It's your turn to take action. Build digital empire.